What will you do tomorrow? I will go to the park and take a walk. Will you help me with my homework later? Yes, I will help you after dinner. Where will you travel next summer? I will travel to Italy for a vacation. Will it rain tomorrow? I think it will rain in the afternoon. What time will the movie start? The movie will start at 8 p.m. Who will win the football match? I believe our team will win. Will you come to the party on Friday? Yes, I will definitely be there. What will you eat for lunch? I will eat a sandwich and some fruit. Will she call me back later? Yes, she will call you after her meeting. When will they arrive? They will arrive at 6 p.m. Will we have a test tomorrow? No, the teacher said we will have it next week. What will happen if it rains? We will stay indoors and play board games. How long will the meeting last? It will last about 2 hours. Will you buy the new phone? Yes, I will buy it next month. Who will drive us to the airport? My dad will drive us there. Will you be home this evening? Yes, I'll be home after 7 p.m. What will you study in college? I will study computer science. Will you watch the game tonight? No, I'll be too busy with work. When will you finish your project? I'll finish it by next week. Will they come to the wedding? Yes, they will come with their family. What will you do if you win the lottery? I will buy a big house and travel the world. Will you learn a new language next year? Yes, I will learn Spanish. Who will take care of the dog? My brother will take care of it. When will you go shopping? I will go shopping this weekend. Will the train arrive on time? I hope it will arrive on time. What will you wear to the party? I will wear my new dress. Will you visit your grandparents soon? Yes, I will visit them next month. How will you celebrate your birthday? I will have a small party with friends and family. Will the teacher explain the homework tomorrow? Yes, she will explain it in class. What will the weather be like this weekend? It will be sunny and warm.